yogis. Galen and I are here today to practice volcano pose with you. So first, let's start out just standing up nice and tall. Wake up your yoga toes. Look down, give them a little wiggle, make sure those toes are awake. Good. And on the count of 3, we're going to jump our feet out nice and wide. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, jump. Good. So for volcano pose, we're going to roll our arms like this, and we're going to say the word volcano as we move our body up and down. And we're going to practice this 5 times. Galen, are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. Let's take a nice deep breath. Volcano! 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 2 more times. Volcano! Volcano! And on the count of 3, let's jump our feet back in. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Hope you had fun. Bye, yogis.